Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Kim and I do all sorts of fun beauty content here on my channel, including lots of unboxings. And today we actually have not one, not two, but three GlossyBox unboxings to do, and we're doing them together. So I have three boxes here and I am very curious to see what all's inside. If you guys are too, then give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then what the heck are you doing? Join the family, it is free, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my uploads. And let's dive in. I don't even know which one to open first. So there are three boxes, like I said, and the first one is actually the November box. This one says ManBox and Bumble, so I think this is an all Bumble and Bumble box. So if you guys want to sign up for GlossyBox, I do have an affiliate code with them, and if you do sign up, I get a small commission, so thank you guys so much if you do decide to sign up and use my link. If you don't want to sign up, that's fine too. The option is just there for you guys if you like what you see. So I love GlossyBox because I've said this, I feel like in every video, but they have such beautiful presentation. It's very thoughtful and I truly appreciate the details that they put into their boxes. Like, how beautiful is this? GlossyBox is a European company. A little bit of insight about the brand, and they are so sweet. I really enjoy working with their team and they're very kind. So, oh, okay, this is so cute. This is a limited edition grooming kit. So this is actually for the men. Reminds me of that TikTok. It's like, come on girls, leave the save the world to the men. I don't think so. If you guys have seen that. So they have the cutest little pamphlets, but I'm not gonna open this. Full presentation with the little ribbon and the sticker and the tissue paper. I love it. Do what I normally do, gonna reach inside and pull out a product. Hopefully some of this stuff will be good for Nick. This is the For All Skin Refresh Post Shave Calming Toner. I just like combined toner and tonic. It's called a tonic. It has 5,000 milligrams of CBD. CBD like took over the whole world. Helps to quiet traumatized skin after hair removal, and it even has salicylic acid to prevent razor burn and ingrown hairs. Oh my gosh, Nick is going to love this. He gets bad razor burn when he shaves his face, so I'm definitely gonna give this to him. And I like that it's a roll-on. That's really cool. I like this concept of a guy's box. Something different, you know? I'm into it. Okay, next up, oh, this is the same brand. This is super cool. It's called For All, same brand. It's called Hair Love. It's Red Clover Regeneration Elixir. This has 250 milligrams of CBD, and it says Hair Love is a rainbow of hope. It says red clover and CBD work together to help existing hair stay firmly rooted while nurturing a healthy scalp and foster new hair growth. Okay, I'm like wondering if girls can use this too, because I love hair growth oils. I just washed my hair today, hence the crazy bun. I'm actually filming a hair TikTok and Instagram reel after this, so sorry about the crazy hair. It looks like I literally just woke up, but filming a hair toot after this. And this is super cool. See, like, Nick wouldn't use something like this, but maybe my dad. I mean, he's like kind of bald though, so I don't know if this would do many favors anymore. Oils have also been trending like crazy on TikTok. Okay, next up we have, ooh, an eye cream. This is something my brother-in-law would love. He's very into all these like products. He is a huge fan of actually the Pixi Glow Tonic. Every time I go see them or we have like a get together, I always gift him like a big Glow Tonic because I get so many from Pixi. So anywhoosies, this is Verso. I will show you guys close-ups as well. This is the eye cream. And this is actually really interesting because I feel like men's under eyes are never talked about. And I feel like they never put cream under their eyes. At least I don't know any guys who put cream under their eyes. But I'm going to have to like sneak this and like literally put it on Nick because he would never do that himself. He literally takes hand cream, puts it on his hands and his face, and his skin is perfect. So I don't know. He's onto something. But as a girl, that would just never work. For him, it works. Eye cream for the men. I mean, come on. Well, it's actually interesting. I feel like men And this is like always a topic. This is like has to be a whole other video, but like men, I feel like they don't get a bad of a rap with aging, so maybe that's why they don't care about eye creams. Like if they have wrinkles, it doesn't matter, but if a woman gets wrinkles, it's like, oh, she's like washed up or old. My mom used to say, why do you would never see like an old woman news anchor, but they always have like an old man news anchor? Why is that? I don't know, right? It's weird because women who are older, they don't want to put them on TV, but men who are older, they don't mind because it's like, oh, he's a silver fox or whatever. That has to be a whole separate video. Moving on to the next product. I don't know. Regiment? I don't know what this is. Is it a perfume? Oh, wow. This is so interesting. It's a beard, brow, and mustache roll-on growth solution. It has castor oil, biotin, CBD, and vitamin C. It has Anagain, which looks like kind of a proprietary formula. Oh my gosh, I've been dying to try these. I'm stealing these. This is for girls and guys. It's the Mighty Patch, and there's 6 patches in here. This is the blue one. There's a couple different ones. They have like a red one. And I love these. They're hydrocolloid dots, and these are amazing if you have a whitehead. You put it on before bed and you wake up and it drastically helps to reduce the spot. I also like these because it helps me not to pick the pimple because there's like a covering over it. So these are amazing. This is a little perfume sampler. It's Spice Bomb Infrared by Victor and Rolf. Actually, it's nice because it's not a bottle, it's actually a sprayer. But I like to put these in like as little gift with purchases in my orders. These are the last 2 products, and they're actually men's face masks. So this is the brand Wolf Project, which I've also never heard of before. It looks like a Swiss brand. And this is the mud mask, deep pore cleansing oil control with clay, vitamin B3, C, and E. Packaging is really cool too. Like I feel like this would definitely attract a guy, like the dark colors and the silver. And then this is the hydrating face mask with tea leaf, beef, and B3. It's designed in Switzerland, made in Korea. Most of these sheet masks are made in Korea because that's like the home of sheet masks and K-beauty. So that is awesome. I really enjoyed this men's box. It was something different. I really liked seeing all the new brands and just kind of unique products that we're not really used to seeing, especially here on my channel. I don't really talk about men's products too much, but oh my gosh, I should do like a whole video of like testing men's skincare on Nick. I think that would be so funny. Hair Love Regeneration Elixir is $34 as it gives thicker and fuller hair. The Skin Refresh Post Hair Removal Tonic, that's $44, and it says you can use them together. The Victor and Rolf, it says it's $3, but it's just like a little sample. The eye cream, the deluxe mini size we got is $21 and the full size is $60. The Mighty Patch, the 39 patches, like the full size is $17.99, but the size we got is $4 because it's just like a sample pack. And then the hydrating sheet mask is $5 for the single. And then the mud mask for the single is $6. So the total for everything in this box came out to $117. So I think that is a really great value. And there were lots of really unique products in here. So I think this one is definitely a thumbs up. Next, we're going to move on to the November box. This is just the classic box that comes every month. Just classic baby pink box. Month's pamphlet, another just a beautiful cover shot. It looks like a little magazine, paper and ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to reach in for my first product. And just so you guys know, there are more deluxe minis in GlossyBox than you'll see in like BoxyCharm, but it is less per month. First up, we have, ooh, this is very pretty, Figs and Rouge. This is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer. They actually sent this brand in the advent calendar. If you guys missed that, I will link that video down below. That was so much fun. They had sent a serum, silicone free, and it has a liquid blotting finishing complex, and it keeps skin flawless. I am so curious about this. It also has salicylic acid, and it has marshmallow root, and there's no added fragrances in here, so I can't wait to use this. Let me actually put some on my hand because I want to just feel the goodness of this, like soft feel to it. Wow, oh my gosh, feels really nice on the skin. I'm so excited to try this out when I do my makeup next, and their packaging is so cute. Next up we have, this is, ooh, Vitabrid C12. They also had some of their products in the advent calendar. This is a K Beauty brand. This is the Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm Melt Away Sorbet, and this is actually really interesting. This has turmeric root, it has papaya, it has lactic acid, which is like chemical exfoliant. It does have lavender oil. I know some people are more sensitive to essential oils in their skincare, but just so you guys know, I love trying out new cleansing balms. I use them pretty much every day or any day that I'm wearing makeup as my first step in my double cleansing routine. So I will definitely be using this when I run out of mine, and I'm almost out of my cleansing oil, so I will use this one next. Next product, this is the Beauty Crop, which is actually really interesting. I always see their products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so it's kind of exciting to get one of their products in these boxes. This is the Oui Cherie pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. That sounds like such a good time. And the packaging honestly looks just like lime crime. I don't know if that's the vibe they were going for, but it looks, even the font and everything looks like lime crime. So it says it's a non-sticky moisture rip lip treatment that enhances your pout's natural color. It has cherry oil and will leave your lips very nourished. The little cherries on there. These lip oils are so nice. Oh yeah, it's like a clear blue and the cap is cherries. I'm by my desk over here and I just kind of put them on. My lips feel dry during the day. Product, this is Commodity Paper. What is this? It's a fragrance, but I don't know. It's like so interesting. It's like in this little box. So let's see. Oh, it's a very woodsy kind of scent for sure, like more of a masculine woodsy scent. So that's actually pretty cool. I know a lot of people like the more woodsy fragrances. It says this is called Personal. I don't know, there's not like any info on here, so I'll have to wait till I see the pamphlet. This is a little, looks like an eyeshadow quad. This is from the brand, oh, Cella. I've also seen their products before. It's like this little tiny mini eyeshadow quad. It's like a little baby quad. That is too cute. This is called the Manifest Bronze Travel Size Eyeshadow Palette. That is so fun. I think I've seen their brow products before at TJ Maxx. So cute. Okay, so that is everything in the November box. The Cella eyeshadow palette retails for $20. That Big and Rouge primer is full size. That is $52 retail. The cleansing balm retailed for $48. And the Beauty Crop lip oil retailed for $12. And the Commodity, oh, that's a fragrance, has an ethereal skin musk followed by a sweet trail of amber. Okay, so the deluxe mini that we got is $10, but the full size, if you do get the full size, is $105. So it's probably more of a niche, high-end like fragrance brand. I've never heard of them before, but it's pretty cool. So the retail on this box is really good. Everything came out to $143, so I think the value on the November box is really impressive. I really enjoyed everything that came in the box. I think we had a little bit of everything. We had skincare, we had fragrance, we had makeup. I think this is one of the more exciting boxes that I've ever gotten. I love cleansing balms and the lip oil, so this was a really, really good one. Okay, I saved this one for last. This is an exclusive box that Glossy did with Bumble and Bumble. Also, if you guys are signing up for GlossyBox, your first box will be $16 and you will also get $5 off the Bumble and Bumble box. And my discount code is just my name in all caps. It is Kim. So this box with Bumble and Bumble is limited edition, you guys. So once it's gone, it's gone. And it is specifically for, they said, curly hair. I don't know if you guys know this, but curly hair can also be wavy hair, because wavy hair is actually a type of curl. It's just a lower like number on the wave scale. Oh my gosh, the box is so cute. Bumble and Bumble, one of the girls that I went to college with, because I went to school in New York City and we all worked at different makeup and hair companies. One of the girls was a hairstylist and she actually worked at Bumble and Bumble like corporately. I tried their products before. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Bumble and Bumble. So here is the inside. So cute. I love the little ribbon. It says Bumble and Bumble and GlossyBox. Again, beautiful job. Mailer. Okay, the first product is this BB Curl Reactivator. And this, it says it's for re-moisturize curls. So it says spray throughout damp or dry hair, style with fingers, and go. Oh, interesting. I can't wait to use this. We also have this guy. This is the BB Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. My sister-in-law, she actually would love these products probably. She has really curly hair. It is for Nourish Elongated Curls with Frizz Control for medium to coarse hair. I'm gonna have to like do a curly girl hair day and try all these out. Oh my gosh, they smell so good, but that is awesome. It's like a little mini deluxe size. Okay, next we have the BB Curl Defining Cream for Moisturized Flexible Curls with Movement, and it says rake through damp hair from roots to ends, air dry or diffuse. I don't have a diffuser for my blow dryer. I do like the method where they'll scrunch it with like a microfiber towel. Really want to try all these together and see how my hair looks. These next ones are 2 like full-size bottles, but this is the BB Curl Moisturizing Shampoo. Again, I've never tried any shampoos or conditioners from Bumble and Bumble, which is so crazy. I haven't even tried any of their styling products, but this has shea butter, avocado oil, also has jojoba seed oil, so I will definitely try this out. I have the 3-in-1 conditioner in this cute bottle. It says rinse out, leave-in, or co-wash. So it says use this creamy moisturizing 3-in-1 conditioner as a rinse out, leave-in, or co-wash, cleanse with the shampoo, and then you can put this in. So I like that it's a 3-in-1. I love leave-in conditioners. I use them after every time I do my hair, and this is so interesting. I can't wait to try it. This line is so cool and it looks very luxurious, and pretend that I have some curls. Maybe my hair will come out like never before. I don't know. We're gonna have to test it out. So the BB Curl, and they have like all the instructions in here too, which is nice. The Curl shampoo is $31. This is a great value. The Curl conditioner is $34. The Curl defining cream is $16. The anti-humidity gel is $6, and the travel size curl reactivator is $13. So the retail price on this is $35, and you're getting the $5 off if you sign up for Glossy, so it comes up to $30, and I added up the total of everything in here and it comes out to $100. So that is such an amazing value. If you're wanting to try out Bumble and Bumble for the first time, maybe you have curly hair and you're intrigued, this box would be amazing for you. Love how they did this like brand exclusive box, and I can't wait to try those products out. So that is it, you guys. I opened 3 glossy boxes with you in this video. This was so much fun. I don't think I've ever unboxed this many in one video besides like when I do a PR unboxing, but this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like unboxings, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much to GlossyBox for sending all these my way. That was so kind of them to send them to me. They're not paying me to make this video. They just send them to me for free. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!